Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite a client to Hubstaff. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are using Hubstaff and want to know how to invite clients so they can keep track of the progress on different projects that you're working on. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're first going to do is that we're going to log into our Hubstaff account. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says members and click on members. Now, once you're on the members page here, you want to click on add members. And then here, you're going to enter the client email and then select their role as project viewer. So with the project viewer, they can review reports for any project they've been added to. So project viewer, simply click on that and then select the project that you want them to be able to view and then click on send. So with that, the client will now be able to go ahead and view different projects without you having to pay for an extra seat for them. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send an invite to a client. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.